What up, Cubs gang? We back with another video, man. Guess what? We got another strip job. Let's get to it. All right, I'll show y'all the damage if the cameras are focused on it. As you can see, those little like cracks. Some people may call them little lines in it or whatever, but I call them crow feet. That's an old terminology that painters use, older painters use. So I've been using it for quite a while now. But anyway, we got to repair that. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be stripping the hood all the way down to bare aluminum, man, because this is aluminum hood. So let's get it stripped. And what I'm gonna be using today is my 8-inch P80 sanding disc on a soft pad. See that soft pad on there? That's an 8-inch soft pad, sticky pad. So let's quit talking, man, and get to it. As y'all can see, this method works pretty good. It's fast. Only thing about it is when you grinding the paint off, try to keep your your grinder as flat as possible, man. You want to keep it as flat as possible. You don't want to dig into it like that because you create like little waves in it if you dig into it. So just try to keep it as flat as possible to your panel, and you won't have no problems, man. And take your time. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on it. You can just let it basically glide on there, and it will take the paint off with this 80 grit. Or you could go a little coarser, but 80 grit, that's good enough, man. I would say that's good enough for me. So let's get back to work. As y'all can see, it's working pretty good, man. It just, in the center of that hood, is real flexible, man. It's real soft. And I know y'all see me grinding at an angle, but believe me, I know what I'm doing, okay? But for any beginners that's doing this, man, always keep your grinding disc flat. I'm telling you, it's gonna save you a lot of time, man. It's gonna save you a lot of time. But anyway, oh man. Only thing is me reaching to the center of that hood, trying to come from this angle to reach all the way over to there. Woo! It plays a role on your back, man. But hey, ain't no complaining. We're gonna get to it, baby. Let's do it. Alright, what I'm finna do now, I'm finna level off everything that I grinded down. You see these spots like that? That's actually higher than what this is right here, the shiny spot. So I'm gonna try to level it out as smooth as possible with my 180 right here. As you can see right there, in my 6-inch DA. So let's get to it.
don't know if y'all could, well, I'm pretty sure you can tell, but this side over here has been feather edged. All the high spots, you know, I done kind of feather edged them in compared to that side. So we're trying to make this side look like this side right here. And like that spot right back there, that's a ding. And right here is a ding right there also. That got to be fixed. But yeah, let me go on the feather edge this side out here too. Alright, custom gang, I got it all feathered out. Now I'm gonna get ready to lay down my primer. 2 good thick coats. Let's get it done. Alright, custom gang, and just like that, we got another one wrapped up, man. Basically, I just put 2 coats of primer on here, and all I got to do now is go back and block it, and put some paint on it, man, make it shine. Alright, so get ready to lay down 2 coats of sealer. I got my sealer right here. Like I said, pretty confident you can work, baby. Now I'm gonna lay down my base. now on my last coat of base. It's called the control coat. For the final step, clear. Take a look at this thing. See what we did. Ooh wee! That thing is wetter than the ocean, baby. Check it out. You see it. Yes, sir. Left another one on the wet, man. As usual. I use 2021 DCU 2021 on this. That's the clear coat that I use. As you can see, it flows out pretty good, man. Leaves it looking awesome. Yeah, y'all see it. Ooh, woo! Alright, custom gang, just like that, we got another one on the list for the end of the year, man. This will be the last one that y'all will see for this year, man, for 2020. I just want to thank all my subscribers for following me, man, and liking my content, man. Hopefully next year we can do it bigger and better. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Let's keep going.